class. How are you all? This is me again, your teacher Shaista. How are you? Okay. Now, this lesson, remember we had English lesson in the morning, literacy class. Now this is your science class. All right. Which class? Science. Right. Can you tell me what you have done yesterday in science class? Can any one of you tell me that? Correct. Wow, we have done about science. We learned about Allah who created everything. And we also learned about science. What does science tells us, right? Now, today again we are going to learn something more about science, what it tells us. But remember to follow the class rules, the rules which I have already shared with you. I've already told you before. Okay? Remember to follow those rules. Okay, right. So I'll be showing you some pictures and I will ask some questions about it. Ready? All right, come on, let's see. Can you see now? Okay, not now. Let me check. Let me see first. Now you are going to look at the following pictures very carefully and answer the questions. Now, what is the picture about? Can you see the picture? What is the picture about? Wow, great. It's a butterfly. Well done. Now, which is this insect? Have you seen this? Wow, it's an ant. Have you seen an ant? Yes, it's there in your house, in your kitchen, all the time, running on the floor. Wow, great. Now, can you tell me how many legs does it have? Just count the legs and tell me. Great, Amir. It has 6 legs. Wow. Okay. Can you see this picture? What is this picture about? Yes, it's about a jellyfish. Have you ever seen a jellyfish? No? Oh, in movies only. Okay. Now, can you tell me what is the color of this jellyfish? Good. It's a blue color. Wow, great job. Now, what is this picture about? It's about ice. Yes. Have you ever seen ice? Ice cream. Yes. And ice you see in your, yes, correct, in your fridge. So is the ice hot or cold? Is it hot or is it cold? Cold. Great job. Wow. Now what is this picture about? This is about a rabbit. Good. Now where does a rabbit live? Yes, it lives in the mud. But what is that thing called? It's called a bureau. Okay, so the rabbit lives in the bureau. Now, you have seen all these pictures, correct? So, what do you think these pictures are about? Different things, about different animals, right? Now, who has created these animals? Allah, right? But who, okay? Now, but who has given us the information about the animals? Yes, good job. The information is given to us by science, scientists. Scientists find out about different things. They dig into it. They find the fact. They find the information. How, when, and what. Now, I'll tell you about some more animals. Now, which animal is this? It's a tiny fish. Now, do you know where does the fish lives? Yes, it lives in the water. Correct. Now, I'll show you 2 pictures. Now, what is this picture about? It's an elephant. Yes. And what is this picture about? It's a ladybird. Now, which one is fat? Which animal is fat? A ladybird or an elephant? An elephant. Correct. Good job. An elephant is very, very fat. All right. Now, which 2 animals are these? It's a squirrel, correct, and it's a turtle. Now, which one of them runs very, very fast? A squirrel. But a turtle is very slow. It runs slowly. Correct. Well done, class. I'm so happy for you all. This is for all of you. I'm so happy to see it. Now, see, since all these animals are created by whom? They are created by Allah. Good, great. They are created by Allah. But who gives us the information? Information is given to us by the different scientists. Yes, scientists, they tell us about different things. Observe. They observe them. They find out facts. Okay? Now, let's watch a video. Okay? Now, I'll show you a video. We are going to watch that. Now, listen to the video carefully. Okay? Okay. Now, see, you have seen so many things where they are telling us about science, that what we learn in science. We learn in science about animals. We learn in science about seasons. We learn in science about plants. We learn in science about stars. We learn in science about moons, about humans, human body, right? About our environment, about nature. This is all that we learn in science, correct? Now, so you have understood what science teaches us. It teaches us so many different things, correct? Now, do you have your books with you? Remember, I told you that you should have your books with you. Yes? Come on, open. You all should bring this book with you, right? Now, open page number 3 and see these animals. See the pictures over here. Now here, this is all that we have done in class. A horse is strong, a tortoise is slow, a kitten is small, is weak, a mouse is small, a rabbit is fast, an elephant is big, a football is round, and a slice of toast is square. Now these are all different things. The information which is here is given to us by whom? By science, by scientists. So whatever we learn in our life is all because of science, is all because of science. It gives us information, everything that we are learning is given to us by whom? Yes, we are studying to learn and gather information. Whatever we are studying to learn and gather information is all because of science. Correct. It's all because of science. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. Now, I want you to open page number 4 and look at the pictures over here. Now circle the pictures which you think are living things. You know what are living things? We will do this later on. Now living things are those things that are living, that breathe, that can move, that can eat, that can have babies. So quickly, in 2 minutes, circle, look at these pictures and circle only the living things. Okay? Now, one, two, three. Your time starts now. Good. Have you done? Okay. Can you name one of the thing which you have circled, Amir? Correct. An elephant. Can you name one of the thing, Neha? Wow, great. A fish. And you, Alia? A cat. Great job. I'm so excited and happy for this class. Great. Good job. Okay, so that means that this is all clear to you. Great. Now, for homework, I'll be uploading on portal, but I'm telling you in the orally also that you have to do question number 2 on page number 4. Okay, it's very easy. It's all whatever you have done so that I know that you have understood. Okay, so do please you all have to do your homework, all right? Okay, and I'll post this on portal. Okay, now let's play a game, a small game, a tiny game. Now, tell me, have you ever heard of this word before? What's this written? Riddles, correct. Now, what are riddles? It's a guessing game. Wow, good. You have to guess. Okay? You have to guess what the teacher is asking. All right, now let's play the game. Number 1. I am very fat, but I am a living thing. Which animal am I? Yes, which animal? I am fat, but I am a living thing. Great, I am an elephant. Wow, bravo. Okay, now the other thing. I am round and circle. I can be big, but I can be small too. But I am not a living thing. Who am I? Come on. I am big and I am small, but I am not a living thing. Who am I? Wow, Alia, bravo. I am a ball. I can be big also and I can be small also. Okay, so I'm a ball. Great. Now, the last one. I am tiny, but I run very fast. And I'm a living thing. Who am I? I'm a mouse. Wow, great. So that means whatever we have done today is very clear to you all. Yes? Good, great. Now, I think the time is getting over, so we will meet tomorrow, inshallah. I hope you all will remember what we have learned in the class. Yes? Yes. And do please all or complete your homework, all right? Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day, children.